This presentation is created by Simex Corporation for accountants and other financial professionals. Simex is a Princeton-based software development firm specializing in cutting-edge data processing solutions and bespoke application development. With over 30 years of experience in crafting innovative data processing systems and a strong track record of close collaboration with financial professionals across various industries, we've developed products that deliver a transformative impact. Our solutions enhance the efficiency of financial document processing and empower data-driven decision-making, boosting productivity by up to 10 times compared to traditional methods. Simex Data Processing Automation software offers numerous benefits for professionals in accounting and finance. These tools can help streamline and enhance various aspects of the accounting workflow, leading to improved efficiency, accuracy, and cost-effectiveness. This is particularly crucial during peak seasons, such as tax filing deadlines, when the demand for efficiency and accuracy is at its highest. Here are some of the key benefits. By extracting data directly from documents like invoices, tax forms, bank statements, and financial reports, and inputting it into accounting systems, the software eliminates the need for manual data entry, saving significant time. This frees up time for you to focus on more value-added tasks. Our software can quickly process large volumes of financial data, speeding up tasks such as monthly reconciliations, tax filings, and financial reporting. Automated data extraction minimizes common errors associated with manual input, such as misreading or misinterpreting data, transposing numbers, or overlooking information. It ensures consistent data extraction and standardizes the output format, promoting uniformity across all client accounts and documents. By automating repetitive tasks, you can allocate your time more effectively, reducing the need for additional staff or extensive overtime. With less manual intervention and fewer errors, the need for rework and correction is reduced, leading to lower costs in terms of time and resources. Simex systems can process and extract data in real time, making it easier for you to access up-to-date financial information for analysis and decision-making. Our data processing tools can integrate with accounting platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, or Sage, making it easier to generate accurate reports and financial statements, reducing the need for separate data entry. As your business grows and takes on more clients or transactions, our software can scale to handle increased data extraction needs without compromising on efficiency or accuracy, and without requiring increases in manual labor. Whether dealing with large or small clients, Simex automation tools ensure that data is extracted consistently, regardless of the volume or complexity of the financial documents involved. With data extraction automation, you can deliver faster services whether it's providing financial statements, tax returns, or other reports, improving client satisfaction and trust. Automation allows you to access data insights more efficiently, enabling them to offer better, timely financial advice and strategic recommendations to clients. Adopting Simex data processing software can transform how you manage your workflows, from improving efficiency and accuracy to ensuring better client service and compliance. By embracing automation, you can focus more on strategic, high-value tasks while reducing manual effort and operational risks. Whether it's tax forms, invoices, purchase orders, general ledgers, or virtually any other financial information, our award-winning data extraction software is designed to empower accounting professionals like you to effortlessly extract critical data from a wide range of financial documents. With its intuitive visual setup, real-time interactive feedback, and limitless customization options, Simex software enables business professionals, regardless of technical expertise, to unlock the full potential of data extraction effortlessly. This user-friendly approach ensures you can tailor the software to your specific needs, streamlining processes and enhancing productivity with minimal learning curve. The extracted data can be seamlessly exported to Excel, Access, text, or any database system, offering flexible integration with your existing workflows. It can also be directly transferred to popular accounting platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, or Sage. Additionally, the data can be easily loaded into any ERP system, ensuring smooth synchronization across your entire business ecosystem. Now let's walk through a typical process for creating a TextConverter data extraction project. We begin by loading an input file into TextConverter. You can either drag the file from Windows Explorer or load it through the toolbar or file menu. Next, we move on to setting up the first template. Typically, we start with the detailed level of data. For field assignment, we can use either the positional tabular or the tag-based method. Any input line containing detailed data can be used for this purpose. Right-click on a line and choose this menu item to set up tabular fields. To add additional fields, simply split an existing field. Let's borrow the field headers from the 2 lines above to assign field names. Finally, I assign output properties of these 2 fields to keep current value. This will populate field values to the lines where they are missing. Once this is done, the detailed setup is complete. Now we need to add more templates for the data at higher levels, with 1 template per level. I'll add a top-level template to extract this high-level data. The tabular and tag-based methods can be combined within the same template. Let's use the positional setup to extract this group of fields, while the remaining fields will be extracted using the tag-based approach. Highlight a tag and add the field. TextConverter automatically identifies the corresponding field value. However, you can refine the extraction rules by adjusting the input field properties. Multiple fields can be added at once. Since the date tag is not unique, we can use the horizontal range to define the tag more precisely. When adding a field, you can highlight a value instead of a tag. TextConverter will provide a list of tag candidates to choose from. The function for parsing street addresses makes splitting an address into its components a breeze. The rest of the fields can be added in a similar, tag-based manner. Now we add newly created input fields to the output by dragging the fields to the output dictionary. The setup is complete. Let's use Excel as the output destination. And run the process. The data is successfully extracted. The project can be saved and reused for any number of input files with the similar structure. Thank you for your attention. If you believe our processing automation software and professional services could enhance the efficiency and accuracy of your business workflows, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@simex.com.